I hope you guys are hearing us okay. We're calling you on the cell phone.
Have you ever been to Jamaica before? And if yes, how did you like it?
I've never been to Jamaica before, but I really want to go, and I'm sure that if I went, I would like it.
This is China. If I could change where I was from, I would be from Jamaica.
This is a show for the youth, by the youth, and what would you like the younger generation to learn?
Well, this is Lauren, and I think I would like you guys to learn that no matter what you look like and no matter what social media might say about you, we were all made in our own special way and that we're beautiful no matter what anybody else says, and that we're all special, even if we're not famous or not actresses or not singers or people, not everybody's talking about us. We have our own special talents and our own special way. You're special no matter what anybody says. This is Sierra speaking. Sometimes it's hard, not to sound, cliche when we talk about these things, but we mean them in the most literal way possible. It's perfectly okay for you to have boundaries and stick to them. And in this day and age, it's difficult to look on TV and to look on social media and to really accept that, but it is perfectly okay for you to have morals and values and to embrace your spirituality and be just as successful as you want to be. You can have both. It's very possible.
I would probably want this generation to learn to dream. Like, you're never too young to do what you want to do. And I think that that's something that we're very proud of is that we've done what we love at a very young age.
How important is it to talk up and let your voice be heard?
Well, this is Lauren, and I think especially as, us as the youth, as being young people, I think our opinions about certain things aren't, taken as seriously as maybe an adult's opinion about, but I think a lot of kids have a lot of insight, especially when it comes to bullying and stuff like that. I think it's really because I was bullied in school, and it's one of the reasons that I was taken out of school and I was homeschooled. Because I really didn't feel like in school I had, as much of a voice as, maybe the kids who were popular or the kids who had a lot of money. I didn't really feel like I could stand up to those kids and talk about what I believe to be true because I was being picked on and just being bullied. So I think it's very important for kids to feel like they can do that no matter who they're talking to. I think, and this is Sierra talking, I think that the development of technology has exposed us to a lot more and this generation to a lot more. So we're not stupid. Like, we know what we want, and we very much so have a strong opinion on our life, and not just our lives and what we want, but what we want to see, like what we want to see on TV, what we want to see in the media, what we want of the world. Just like you six on this panel.
What are some of the keys to your success?
I know for a fact, I can speak for all three of us when I say it's our spirituality and our foundation. We have a very personal, intimate relationship with God, and our parents gave us that very young. And so we know that that's why we're here doing what we do. We know that that's where all of our successes and all of our opportunities come from.
How do you think education could be changed for the benefit of the youth?
Subjects like art and music are just kind of like, they're optional. And I feel like those should really be capitalized on as well, and they should be as important as what people look at as the main subjects, like math and things like that.
This is Sierra speaking. It's important for schools to start tapping into each child and figuring out where that talent lies and helping them to create a life and a career based on what they already have in them. Thanks for having us, guys.
Talk Up Yout!
Talk Up Yout, myself, Talk Up Yout.